to start a soap making business in Uganda. Hi, welcome to Infant Entrepreneur. Today we are looking at how one can start a soap making business in Uganda. Soap is a salt of fatty acid used in a variety of cleansing and lubricating products. Soap comes in three main forms: the solid, powder and liquid forms. Starting a soap making business is not as hard as many expect it to be, and today we shall look at how you too can start making soap. Now let's get started. There are many ways how one can make soap, but the main mechanism used in all the ways of making soap is saponification. Saponification is a process of converting esters into soaps. In making soap, you need fat and an alkaline material. The alkaline material used is lye. For bar soap, you use sodium hydroxide lye, while potassium hydroxide is used for liquid soaps. A combination of both sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide can be used to make gel-like soaps. With fat and alkaline material in place, there are two ways how you can make soap. Method 1. The cold process. In the cold process, you mix fat and lye and wait for saponification and then add fragrances, colors and herbs. There is no heating involved in this process, and the soap will need 4 to 7 weeks to cure and all the lye to go away. Good quality soap is majorly made using this cold process. The major setback with this method of making soap is the long time required for soap to cure. Method 2. Hot process. This process involves the same process as the cold process, except to speed up the saponification process. You cook the soap mixture. The advantage of the heat process is it speeds up soap making, but the dangerous chemicals being boiled pose a threat to the soap maker. Those are the two ways how soap is made. If you don't want to trouble yourself with saponification, you can buy an already made soap base and add your own mixtures and fragrances. This process is called melt and pour. It is by far the simplest method of how soap is made, and it is advisable to start with this process because it requires little energy. It is easy to learn and doesn't expose the soap maker to the harm of chemicals used in saponification. The major disadvantage of the method of soap making is the low quality of soap. Soaps made by melt and pour are of low quality as compared to those made from the cold process and heat process. After making your soap, you need to look for a market for your products. Looking for a market for soap products can be a hustle at first because there are many soap products already in the market. So you need to focus on things that will make you stand out in the crowded market. Here are a few tips to stand out. 1. Make soap that lathers quickly. 2. Make soap that does not quickly dissolve when placed in water. 3. Make soap that will effectively remove stains when used for laundry work. You need to push your products to your potential customers, and you should utilize all the marketing options at your disposal. You can use social media, advertisements and all the other means to reach your customers. That's all that is required in starting a soap making business in Uganda. Talk to me in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.